Okay, we only have 20 minutes in hand, so let's get ready for a shadi. This is the outfit I'm wearing and it's a little heavy, so let's quickly change. Oh my god. All the shades on this lehenga are so unique and they complement each other so well. Just look at the detailing on this blouse. It's so beautiful. And just look at this cutout, man. My tattoo peeking out. Okay, now let's accessorize. Just look at this set. These beads and these beads are exactly the same, and this has really like elevated and lifted the outfit. Matching earrings. I feel so royal. Love it. And now, of course, Chulia! Time for some makeup. I literally got this foundation today at an event. You can barely differentiate between my skin and the foundation. I look like Chutki. Okay, wow, I just love how this looks. I got this as a haldi saver and it matches perfectly with my outfit. Finishing the look with these flats. Okay, bye.